My name is Kendall Cole, and I am a server at Sandbox Pizza in Pacific Beach. Adjusting to the pandemic was definitely difficult. Sandbox was a lot busier before, and because a lot of people were staying in, we definitely did not have as many customers as usual. New challenges have been definitely financial burdens. We're not making as much money because we're not having as many customers come in, so that's been difficult, trying to pay rent, trying to pay bills. And another challenge I would say is the time that you have to put in cleaning, whereas we used to clean but also focus more on the customers, but a lot of our shifts consisted of cleaning and disinfecting the restaurant. Some things we added are new disinfectants. We added Lysol, we added Lucasol, we added Pledge, a lot of different disinfectants, whereas the basic disinfectant that most restaurants use, we had to add a lot more. Another thing is cleaning menus, tables, Parmesan, cheese shakers, the pepper shakers, basically anything that even the workers would touch, we had to clean a lot more. I do feel safe. After the pandemic, I think restaurants as a whole, not just Sandbox, have gotten a lot cleaner. We've realized, how many things people touch in the restaurant that we kind of overlook. So just in general, things have gotten a lot cleaner. And since the pandemic, honestly, the restaurant business has gotten a lot busier because people are really excited to finally be able to go out, enjoy dinner, enjoy a drink. So some things we got to add after the pandemic were trivia nights. We have those every Thursday at 7 p.m. We have lots of teams enlist in them. It's a whole contest. The winners get gift cards to the restaurants. We also have live DJs every single night on the weekends. We get live music during the days.